So let's go to bank and cash accounts. You'll see there are already standard accounts in the system, one for petty cash, one for the current account, and one for the call account. So I want to maybe just add a little bit of information to my current account. So I take its account number and edit it. And let's say this is the FNB Current Account, and its account number is this. We can make it active, and then I am also going to have a savings account. Okay, but this is a standard bank savings account. So let's take our standard account, which is a call account, and say this is our standard bank savings account, and its account number is this. We can update it. And our petty cash remains petty cash. So our bank accounts are correct. And that's all that we need to do so that we can do bank transactions.